Looking for a luxury that rises above the ordinary? Welcome to Hiranandani Westgate, a landmark that not just redefines the skyline of Thane but also the way to live. Located on the edge of iconic Hiranandani estate at Bagwil, this is a 25-acre development, features 13 majestic towers up to 55-story high, and this is a 3 BHK sample flat tour. And here you will be getting 6 towers that is launched in phase 1. And the biggest USP of the project is it is having a landscape podium fully dedicated 6-acre with leisure, wellness and recreation. Hit the like button, subscribe to DH Realty and let's explore the premium address together. So now walking into the 3 BHK show flat in Belvedere Tower, you will feel an instant sense of grandeur. The spacious living room is ideal for entertaining, lounging and everything in between. It features premium marble floorings, central air condition and seamless flow into the dining space. In the 3 BHK Belvedere Tower, you get 3 well-sized bedrooms including a master suite that feels nothing short of a boutique hotel room. The air-conditioned comfort, wide window bays and premium tile finish give it a modern luxury edge. The second and third bedrooms are perfect for kids, guests or even a home office. Some units even come with balconies offering beautiful views of Yor Hills or the Ulhas River. The bathroom here features top-notch fittings, high-quality geysers, non-corrosive plumbing and even a stylish false ceiling with recessed lighting. Now let's talk about the amenities and other things about the project. So first of all, the location of the project. So it is 1.6 kilometers from Metro 4 line and Eastern Express Highway with Thane Station 4.4 kilometers and is surrounded by top-tier schools, hospitals, Viviana and Coram Mall and Upwan Lake. So this has Florenza, Belvedere and Somerset with 2, 3 and 4 BHK and Belvedere have dedicated 3 BHK homes. Each floor in Belvedere has 6 flats and the size of the flat starts from 977 square feet to 1282 square feet and the price here starts from 2.69 CR onwards, all inclusive. If we talk about the amenities, internal and external, so internally you will be getting premium marble floorings, vertified floorings, air-conditioned living rooms, double glazed windows, modular switches, bathroom with premium fittings, high quality, non-corrosive plumbing, false ceiling, balconies and many more. And for external, you will be getting multi-level clubhouse with 60 plus premium amenities, landscape podium, luxury hotel, high street retail, panoramic views of the Yor Hills and Ulhas River, indoor temperature controlled swimming pool, 2-track of bowling alley, grand entrance lobby, parking and many more. Flexible bullet payment plans are there and you will be getting a 20:80 builder subvention plan. The possession is 31st October 2031 and targeted is 2029. Call us or direct messages at DH Realty for site visit and virtual tours. This is 3 BHK Hiranandani Westgate, Thane. Thank you.